beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sabina here. If you are new here, welcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then make sure you to hit that red subscribe button down below and be a part of my YouTube family. So today's video, I'm going to share my Nepali food recipe, and this food is very popular in Nepal and most of the Nepalese love this food. And the name of the food is called momo, and it is so delicious, guys. Okay, I will tell you like how the momo looks like. If you guys love Chinese food and you have tried Chinese dumpling, that's how it looks like. It's kind of, the taste is similar, but definitely we use a little different spices than the Chinese dumpling. It is just so delicious. Every single Nepalese love momo. I have never met any Nepalese that they say that they don't like momo. You can make a vegetable momo, you can make any kind of meat, ground meat momo. Like today I'm going to use turkey ground meat. You can use chicken, you can use pork, you can use whatever. I don't eat beef, so usually I eat only turkey or chicken. And today we're gonna make a chicken momo. If you don't eat meat, then you can always make vegetables momo using cabbage and carrots and any kind of vegetable you want to mix into that. But usually vegetarian people, they make a cabbage momo, and I'm telling you, it is just so delicious. When I'm thinking about the momo, I just want to eat momo so bad. We make a special sauce, side sauce, so you can dip momo and you can eat that, and that one is so delicious. My husband loves momos. Every time I asked him what you want to eat for dinner, he always said, when are we gonna eat momo? So it takes a little time to make, so that's why I don't cook momo that often. But today is a special day that my friend is coming and she's gonna bring her kids here, and we're all gonna make a momos together. And also I'm planning to make some chocolate chip cookies with kids, so it's gonna be a really fun, exciting cooking day, and I'm looking forward for that. And I will share every steps that how you gonna make a momos. So I didn't wear any ring because I need to use my hands to mix all those like meat and everything, so I don't like to wear any diamonds and anything, so it won't like, you know, fall in the food, or just like, you know, just for the safety reason. And also it won't make my ring dirty, so that's why I didn't wear any rings today, because I'm ready to cook. I'm so excited to share one of my favorite food with you guys, and I hope you guys like this. If you ever want to try the momo, then just let me know. I'm gonna link down all the recipes down in the description box below. You can try this and you will love the momo. So we are ready to make momo. She's here, and and her kids are there. So this is a turkey meat. She also brought this momo masala. If you don't have this momo masala, you have this one. If you don't have this spice, then you don't have to put this one. You can just add salt and some turmeric powders and all those things, but she brought this today, so we're gonna use this one. Now we are adding cilantro. She already add onions and garlic and ginger. She did the little chopping in that little chopper, and now we are adding cilantro inside this ground meat. Isn't that it's so fun to have a good friend that cook and everything?
If you have spring onions, you can add that, and some cabbages. Yeah, you can add those too. It'll make juicy.
Juicy with onion, what, cabbage? Oh, okay. And I bought this wrapper from a Chinese store, so we're gonna wrap that ground meat in this wrapper. So I have a lot of those wrappers. So she added some turmeric powder, caraway powder, garam masala, and salt. Add some momo masala.
Azur, I'm done. Okay. Now we need to add some water.
Hello, Arlet. Hi, Vandu. Hi, Vandu. Momo khani ho? Hi, beautiful. Gonna add some olive oil. Kati राख्नुपर्छ नि मा? There is a sesame seed that we fried with it, right? We fried this in that pan. Fry in this pan. So we're gonna make this for sauce. Sesame seed.
Plate so that I can.
This is a tomatoes for our sauce. Yes. So we are making this tomato sauce.
Hello.
Hi, baby. Say hello to Brandon, uncle. Arlet. She's scared of him.
I'm trying to scare her.
Are you scared?
Bacha royal.
Bachcha royo?
Scared? Kind of scared? No? No?
She's so scared. See, auntie Lera. Chanu. Hi.
Give me this. I want it.
Are you Papa Lancha? Are you? Uncle Papa.
Give it to me.
Hello, uncle. Banana. This is sesame seed. Gonna add some garlic, ginger, and cilantro. And then we're gonna add these tomatoes in the mixer, and we're gonna make a sauce with this sesame powder.
Done?
So she added that garlic, ginger, cilantro, and now we're gonna add some salt. So she mixed with sesame seed. Now did you see the color? Mixing everything.
We can add more water.
Yeah. Then some water. So now everything is ready. We have a ground meat here all mixed with the spices, and now we're gonna wrap that in this circle wrapper. We're gonna fill the meat inside here, and then we're gonna make it like, I will show you how we can do it, okay? It's gonna be so good. And this is how I'm gonna cook this one. This is a dish that I bought it from Nepal. It's just a steamer. I'm gonna steam on that. This is how we're gonna wrap it. Just put it in there.
Momo Shanu? Done? Okay, thank you.
This is how it's gonna look now. And you can steam this for 12 minutes. I usually do for exactly 12 minutes. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Baba. Ooh, I cooked this for 12 minutes. Momo is ready. Let's try now. Okay, Nima, let's eat. Okay. Middle?
See yourself.
It's really good, guys.
Look.
It's delicious. Can I try it?
Now look. Now look. Bacha.
I hope you guys like this video, and if you do so, then make sure you do thumbs up. Before you head out, make sure you subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. I love you guys. See you next time.